Let's now take a look at the central composite design for three factors. The central composite design for three factors is composed by 8 factorial points, which are the combination of the levels -1 and +1 of the variables x1, x2, and x3. Then we add 3 to 5 central points, and finally 6 axial points, totalizing 17 to 19 runs. We are going to use alpha equal to the square root of k. In this case, k is equal to 3, and the square root of 3 is 1.73. All experimental points except the central points are equally distant from the center on a surface of a sphere with radius square root of 3. Let's now see how to build this design in R. Instead of using the cube and the djoin star functions, we are going to use the ccd function that generates the complete central composite design. The first argument is k, the number of factors, 3. And then we have the number of center points and 0, and we are setting alpha as spherical. Let's run the design and open it as a table. Here we have the central composite design for three variables, x1, x2, and x3. It is already split into two blocks, one block with the factorial points and another block with the star points. Both of them have 3 central points. Let's now add the natural variables using the relationship between them and the coded variables. Finally, we have the complete table of the central composite design with the levels of both the coded and the natural variables. As the last step, we can save the design by using the write.csv. And here is the design ready to be run.